So with the 2018 Jockeys Championships at Caymanas Park looking set to go down to the wire, after Panamanian rider Dick Cardenas booted home 5 winners on Saturday, it is now blown up the title race with Cardenas now a mere 11 winners adrift of Jamaican rider Anthony Thomas. It is impossible for me not to be thinking along the lines of preferring the Jamaican-born and bred jockey to win the championship instead of the foreign jockey coming here, beat up all of the Jamaican riders and winning the championships. We know it happened already, and some people say may the better jockey win and Dick Cardenas is a cut above the race and blah, blah, blah. But I just think a Jamaican jockey should win the Jamaican Jockey Championships. And if it means the owners and the trainers getting young Thomas the necessary rights, then so be it. But this is Jamaica, and a Jamaican must win. We're not going over to Panama going down. And I'm not saying we must break any rule or break any law to get out Cardenas. But we must do everything legally within our powers to help the Jamaican to win. Our Jamaican fans here cheering for Dick Cardenas, I think is a sellout. I mean, this is the equivalent of the Maverick going to a birthday party and right in front of the person celebrating the birthday, me decides that me, the invitee, me alone will cut the birthday cake. The birthday person, the friends and families and the security, everybody supposed to step to the Maverick and say, no, 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 you cannot cut the cake. It's not your birthday. Well, it's not Dick Cardenas' birthday.